Sarajevo, the capital of Bosnia and Herzegovina, is a fascinating place with a rich history and breathtaking scenery. Known as the Jerusalem of Europe, Sarajevo is a melting pot of cultures, religions and traditions. Whether you're planning a trip or just curious about this vibrant city, drone footage will give you an exciting way to discover Sarajevo from above. The city's scenery is truly mesmerizing. Located in a valley surrounded by mountains, Sarajevo offers stunning views that are sure to leave travelers enthralled. From the famous Vratnik Fortress overlooking the city to the Miljacka River flowing through its heart, Sarajevo's natural beauty adds to its charm. Tourism in Sarajevo has flourished in recent years due to its rich cultural heritage. Visitors can immerse themselves in the city's history by visiting museums such as the Sarajevo Military Tunnel, or exploring the narrow streets of the old town with traditional stores and cafes. Those looking for a unique travel experience, Sarajevo will not disappoint. Its bustling streets are filled with lively markets offering traditional handicrafts and delicious local cuisine. Whether you are interested in history, culture, or simply enjoy the breathtaking beauty of nature, there is something for everyone in Sarajevo.